Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Chocolate color, pink color, red color, yellow color, green color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Circle, hexagon, star, pentagon, heart and triangle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Circle, next kids, hexagon, next kids, star, next kids, pentagon, next kids, heart, next kids, triangle, now we're going to put the color. Green color, circle, next kids, pink color, hexagon, next, orange color, star, next kids, chocolate color, pentagon, next, red color, heart, next kids, blue color, triangle, what we learn? We learn green color, circle, pink color, hexagon, orange color, star, chocolate color, pentagon, red color, heart and blue color, triangle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.